Welcome to my channel. Xfinity Router Login. 1. Connect your device. Ensure your phone or computer is connected to your Xfinity router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 2. Open a web browser. Launch a browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your connected device. 3. Enter router IP address. Type 10.0.0.0.1 in the browser's address bar and press Enter to access the login page. 4. Enter username. In the login screen, type admin as the default username unless it's been changed. 5. Enter password. Use password as the default password or enter your custom password if you've changed it. 6. Click Login. Press the Login button to access the router's admin dashboard. 7. Explore Settings. Navigate through the dashboard to manage Wi-Fi settings, parental controls, or security features. 8. Update the password. For security, change the default admin password under the Administration or Security section. 9. Apply changes. Save any modifications made in the dashboard to ensure they are activated. 10. Log out securely. Log out from the admin page to prevent unauthorized access to your router settings. Thank you for watching.